In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emails as tasks in Todoist. Have you ever found yourself lost in a sea of emails, struggling to keep track of tasks and deadlines? Well, integrating your email with Todoist might just be the solution you need. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through a simple process that will transform cluttered inbox content into a streamlined task list using Todoist. To begin, we'll use the Todoist integration within your email client. This feature works seamlessly with major clients like Gmail and Outlook. By using this integration, you can directly add any important email as a task to your Todoist account with just a few clicks. Start by opening up the email that you want to convert into a task. It might be the latest newsletter from a colleague, an important deadline reminder, or anything else you don't want to overlook. Once you have the email selected, look carefully at your email interface for the Todoist icon. It's usually nestled around the top or side panel, frequently aligning itself with other utility functions. This icon is the key to linking your email with Todoist. Now simply click that Todoist icon. This action will initiate a new task in your Todoist account, and importantly, it will include vital details from the email. Think of it like plucking out the critical pieces of information and placing them neatly into your organized task list. Once the email is successfully transformed into a task, the customization options open up. Within Todoist, you're empowered to edit each task to fit your specific needs. This means setting due dates if you have looming project parameters, prioritizing tasks based on urgency or importance, and even adding supplementary notes. These notes can include references, follow-up points, or anything else that ensures you're always in control. Using this approach not only helps in managing tasks efficiently, but it also declutters your email inbox and lightens the cognitive load of remembering everything at once. You might find this integration a game changer, serving as a digital assistant that keeps you on track. That's it. With these simple steps, emails become tasks, tasks become priorities, and priorities become completed projects. Enjoy the enhanced productivity that comes with using Todoist and email integration. Thanks for watching, and be sure to make every task a productive one.